Good morning, all of you. Now, all of you take your textbook, page number 121, and listen example question 17. Okay, example question 17th question. That is, Raj buys a camera for 11,000 rupees. Okay, and then gets some repairs done for 1,000 rupees. Since he was in need of money, he had to sell it for 8,400 rupees. What is his loss percent? Okay, again Raj buys a camera for 11,000 rupees. Actually, he bought that camera for how much rupees? 11,000 rupees. That is CP of that camera, we can take it as 11,000. But here one special case is there. You look here. Then he gets some repairs done for 1,000 rupees. After buying that camera, he had some repairs, and for that repairs he spent 1,000 rupees. Okay, after that repairing only, he had to sell that for 8,400 rupees. In this case, here are one extra amount. Actually, he bought that camera for how much rupees? 11,000 rupees. Okay, 11,000 rupees he bought that camera, but he had to done some extra repairs also he done. For that he spent how much money? 1,000 rupees. So the amount he spent for extra after buying, for that we can take it as overhead expenses. Okay, overhead expense. Actually it is not CP. CP actually it is 11,000. He bought that camera for 11,000 rupees. After buying, then he had spent some extra amounts. That is overhead expense. How much rupees? 1,000 rupees. Then after that, after repairing, then he sold that camera for how much rupees? 8,400 rupees. So here we want to find out what is his loss percent. Actually here we bought the camera for 11,000 rupees. So when we take it CP, we want to add this overhead expense also, we want to add with this CP. So last we can take the last CP or last CP, we can take it as last CP, that is after buying, then he had spent some more money, 1,000. So that is equal to 11,000 plus 1,000, that's equal to 12,000 rupees is actual CP. So that we can write, instead of last we can write actual CP equal. Okay, actual CP is equal to 11,000 plus 1,000. That is overhead expense we want to add with this given CP. So it will be 12,000 rupees. Then we can do as normally, SP is equal to 8,400 rupees. So what will be loss? So here loss is equal to CP minus SP. So it will get 3,600. Then we want to find out loss percentage using the same equation that we can do. Okay, loss by CP into 100. Then directly you can substitute. That is already given in the textbook. We can do that. So in this type of question we want to care. We want to add that extra amount with this CP to get the actual CP. That extra expense is called overhead expense. Okay, now we can move to the next exercise, question number 5. Okay, I will just discuss all questions with the needed steps you want to answer. Otherwise we will not get time. Listen the question, 5th question. Rajesh invested 9,000 rupees to start a business in buying and selling dry fruits. Okay. After a month, he found that he had lost some money and was left with only 7,200 rupees. What is his loss and what is his loss percent? That we can directly apply. Okay, Rajesh invested 9,000 rupees. So here CP we can take it as 9,000. And after he money left with him 7,200 rupees only. So in this case he had a loss. Okay, how much will be the loss? That is 9,000 minus 7,200. Okay, then you will get that loss amount. Then after that we can directly find out the loss percent using the equation loss by CP into 100. Directly you can substitute and find out your answer. Next question. By selling a jacket for 729 rupees, Sunanda lost 10%. What was the cost price? Okay, here cost price is not given. By selling that jacket, he got how much rupees? 729 rupees. That is, here SP is given 729 and loss percent is given 10%. We want to find out CP. Okay, so loss percentage we can find out by loss by CP into 100. Here CP we don't know. So instead of loss, what we can substitute? CP minus SP. Then substitute that the SP in this equation, and we can, using that equation, we can find out, okay, that answer. Next question. Sohan, the toy shop owner, sold 2 tricycles at the same price. Each one was sold for 2,200 rupees. On one he made a profit of 10% and on the other he lost 12%. What was the cost of each of the cycle? Listen this question. Here I have 2 cases. Shop owner sold 2 tricycles at the same price. Okay, at the same price he sold. That is, selling price of that 2 tricycle is each same. Okay, Sohan sold 2 tricycles at the same price. Both toys he sold at the same price. So that is, SP of the 2 tricycle is same, and in both the tricycle have different case. Okay, first one is each one has sold for 2,000 rupees. That is, SP of 2 toy is 2,200. But on one he made a profit of 10%. For one toy he got a profit of 10%, and on the second toy he had a lost 12%. What was the cost of each of the cycle? Okay, then what will be the cost of each of the cycle? So in this case, want to care well, 2 cases are there. 2 tricycles he bought. In both the tricycles he had the cost selling price is same. Okay, so in the first case we can listen first, that is SP is equal to, in both the case, both the tricycles SP is the same, 2,200. Okay, and first case profit, in the first toy he had a profit of how much? 10%. Profit percentage is given 10%. We want to find out what will be the CP of the first toy. So in this case we can substitute what is the profit percentage equation. Profit percentage equal, how we can find out? That is equal to profit by CP into 100. Okay, so profit, how we will find out? Profit here SP only we know, CP we don't know. Okay, so instead of profit we can substitute SP minus CP and divided by this CP into 100, and again SP is given 2,200, that is profit percentage is given 10. So 10 is equal to this, that means 10 equal 2,200. SP we already know, 2,200 minus CP, that we don't know, divided by CP into 100. Okay, then CP we can transpose to here, that means 10 CP will be equal to, then 2,200 minus CP into 100, then this want to multiply with it, that is 2,200 into 100, so 2 more 0 minus 100 CP. Okay, then this 100 CP we can transpose to here, minus 100 it will be here 100 plus 100. So sum of that to 110 CP will be equal to 2,20,000. Okay, then CP will be equal to 2,20,000 divided by 110. So that will be equal to this 2,000. Okay, 2,000 will be the answer. Okay. Listen, for in this case 2 cases are there. two toys is he sold, and both of that toys selling price is same, but for one toy he had a profit 10%. For the first toy he had a profit of 10%, then its cost price will be different. Now in that first case, we first toys cost price CP we got 2000 rupees, and in the second case what is told, in the second toy when he sold, he had lost 12%. So how we can find out its cost price? So instead of, in this case also SP is the same 2200, and here he had a loss, and loss is how much percentage? 12%. Loss is given 12%. Then what will be its CP? That you want to find out. Same way we can find out equation of loss percentage. We know loss percent equal loss by CP into 100. Okay, so that's equal to loss percentage is given 12, that's equal to loss we don't know, but instead of loss we can write in the case of loss, which will be greater, CP or SP will be greater? CP will be greater. So it will be CP minus SP divided by CP into 100. Okay, so SP here also same 2200. That means 12 equal CP minus 2200 divided by CP into 100. CP transposed to here. That is 12 CP equal 100 CP. Here 100 multiply with the CP. 100 CP minus next 2,20,000 also here. 2, 3, 4. 2,20,000. Now we want to transpose this 100 CP to here. 12 CP minus 100 CP, it will be minus 88 CP will be equal to minus 2,20,000. So CP will be equal to minus 2,20,000 divided by minus 88. So after this calculation we will get 88 8 and here 2. Okay, minus and minus will be plus. So 20,000 divided by 8, so it will be 2,500. Okay, it will be 2,500. Now you look, both of that bicycles have different CP. One first toy his cost price is 2,000, and the second toy cost price is 2,500, and in the first case he had a profit 10%, and here he had a loss 12%, but its selling price is same. So in this case we can find out that answers also. If the CP SP is given, how we can find out the CP with, if it is loss and profit, in both the case we can find out. Okay, next question. Next one is question number 8th question. The selling price of 10 pencils is equal to the cost price of 11 pencil. Okay, selling price of 10 pencils, that is SP of 10 pencil is given how much? Cost price of 11 pencils, that is CP of 11 pencils. Only given this, here we want to find out what is the profit percent. What is the profit percentage? If SP of selling price of 10 pencil, if it is equal to cost price of 11 pencil, what will be its profit percentage? That we want to find out. So in this case, here it is another type question. So here we can take, let CP of 1 pencil, we can take it as 1 rupees. Let CP of 1 pencil, we can take it as how much? 1 rupees. Then what will be CP of 10 pencil? If CP of 1 pencil is 1 rupees, then CP of 10 pencil will be equal to 10 rupees. Okay. Then SP of 10 pencil will be equal to what? SP of 10 pencil. If CP of 10 pencil is CP of 10 pencil 10 rupees, and this CP of 11 pencil also we can find out. What will be, if CP of 1 pencil is 1 rupees, then CP of 11 pencil will be equal to 11 rupees. Okay, and it is given SP of 10 pencil is equal to CP of 11 pencils. That is given. Okay, so how we can find out? SP of 10 pencil will be what? Equal to what? Therefore, SP of 10 pencil will be equal to, that is given CP of 11 pencil. Okay, CP of 11 pencil is, we already know, that is 11 rupees. And now we find out SP of 10 pencil we got 11 rupees and CP of 10 pencil we have 10 rupee. Clear that? Here in this question already given SP of 10 pencil equal to CP of 11 pencils. That's why we got here 11 rupees. SP of 10 pencil is equal to CP of 11 pencil. That we already find out 11 rupees. So SP of 10 pencil will be equal to 11 rupees. And also now we find out SP of 10 pencil we have 11 rupees and CP of 10 pencil we have 10 rupees. So in this case we can find out here will be loss or profit. Here which is greater? CP is 10 and SP is 11. So there will be a profit. How much? For the profit will be equal to SP minus CP. Okay, SP minus CP, that is 11 minus 10. That is 1 rupees profit. Okay, 1 rupees profit. Now, what we want to find out? Profit percent. Therefore, profit percentage will be equal to profit by CP. CP will be 10. CP into 100. So, it will be 10%. Okay. In this way, we can calculate this type of question. Here only given, it is not given CP is how much and the SP is how much, that's not given. But only one clue is given, SP of 10 pencil is given, CP of 11 pencil. So, we can, let us consider CP of 1 pencil, we take it as 1 rupees. We just consider. Then what will be CP of 10? Then it will be 10 rupees. CP of 11 rupees. Then given SP of 10 pencil equal to CP of 11 pencil. So, SP of 10 pencil we can take it as 11 rupees. From that we can find out profit percentage. Okay. Now, the last question, 9th question, you want to do as homework. Okay. Thank you.